We just hit 100 million subscribers, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone that subscribed. And to celebrate, I bought this ginormous private...
I think MrBeast is genius of viral idea machine. All of his videos are considered viral, but he has exposed his core scripts to many creators. After watching MrBeast's video, I don't think anyone can hook better than MrBeast. Direct to the point is the best hook ever.
I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life, and whichever one of these 456 people...
The hook of this real-life Squid Game is like MrBeast talking his answers, then the scene turns to the game footage. But what if we tag his 100 million special video? We can see there are few fast scenes to introduce the different islands with different challenge. Theory is the same to give viewers a fast scan of the challenge letter. And lastly, the 456 participants before he said begin. MrBeast totally used 17 seconds to enter the main dish. This is faster than the 30-second rule to get started. I imagine that he doesn't really want to give any reason for his viewers to quit, because MrBeast always emphasizes all creators that don't waste your viewers' time, just deliver anyway. But maybe some creators may guess this is open fast and talk fast. Well, it is, but not at all. If we take a review deeper on his beginning,
we just hit 100 million!
MrBeast is talking fast, but there is a visual change every 1 to 1.1 seconds. Like the zoom in to focus on MrBeast, the zoom out to show the island, scene to show the participants, the few fast scenes to go through the different islands, and then fastly introduce the first challenge before he began. The high density in the first 20 seconds make it hard for his viewers to get bored. Then, as trusted by big YouTubers, VIQ will provide all the SEO tools you will need. Surprisingly, it will update more AI features like AI personalized and customized idea for your channel, AI coach, AI title, and AI description generator. All the tools in VIQ will help you grow your channel much easier and faster. Check the link in the description for more details and use the same link to get a 30-day free trial. And this is not a sponsor. If you buy any pet plans, I will receive a small commission without additional cost to you. So please support me. Holding the viewers as long as possible. MrBeast is doing great at this, but honestly I'm still learning to get high retention on my videos. So yeah, from my research and MrBeast sayings, over delivering is the best way to get high retention. Like for educational, in a 10-minute video, but you provide a 30-minute kind of value. For entertainment, you have a 1-minute highlights or 1-minute best cuts, but you compress to 20 seconds of the best cuts. The pacing might be fast, but the density is high enough to make the viewers not getting distracted, and the viewers will feel more satisfied to learn more things in less time. Take reference from MrBeast videos. He got a lot that can extend to 1 hour challenge, but he chose to compress to less than 30, even 20 minutes. Quite a risky gambling, but the result is good. MrBeast is a clickbait master, and you can see it on his title and thumbnail.
If people don't click, they don't watch. So you want to give them something to click. Yeah.
Clickbait consists of 2 types, which is legit bait and click trap. Legit bait is a clickbait that fits the theme and get viewers satisfaction, while click trap is just misleading the viewers by making them curious and click. A clickbait is necessary to get your videos go viral, but don't use click trap to spoil your videos watch time. MrBeast rules on his thumbnail: first, simple and basic; second, color, as majority of the viewers are watching YouTube with their phone, and the thumbnail is extremely small on the phone. So from MrBeast thumbnails, we can see the simplicity but eye-catching, like his face with the theme image and color in good contrast. Making the most clickable videos. The most clickable videos means that the most people feel interested in.
For most people, they could spend 100 days uploading videos every day, get 10,000 views a video, or they could just sit down, come up with a good video, and just get 1 million views in a week.
Well, don't just think, you also need to prove the idea, like using polls, Ask Community, or other platforms such as TikTok, Instagram to connect with your audience. Before MrBeast uploaded the Squid Game video, the trend was dropping low at the time, so he posted on TikTok to ask for 10 million likes if his audience want a real-life Squid Game. This is where the game started, and of course MrBeast Squid Game is trending after the upload. The reasons for his Squid Game is clickable include: first is MrBeast audience wants it, second is to attract existing Squid Game lovers even after the trend. From the research of Ray Tijum, we should chase the audience but not algorithms.
And the audience itself is always kind of shifting and changing who they are and what they like to watch. And so the algorithm you can think of as following the audience. The algorithm is chasing this audience around and trying to reach them.
Same as
Anytime you say the word algorithm, just replace it with audience. The algorithm didn't like that video? No, the audience didn't like that video.
Algorithm is designed to analyze the audience and always change for the audience. So if you chase the algorithm, then you might not chase it. Why? Because algorithm is chasing the audience, and you need to know that YouTube is cruel. Only 10% of the contents will be shown on the water surface, and 90% is high below the water. The 10% is of course the first line that chase the audience. MrBeast is using the growth system of small company to rapidly grow fast and get more subscribers.
I just reinvest everything I make. Like literally up till a few months ago, every time I got a paycheck, that was just like the month's budget. So like I said, I saved up $1 a day to buy a microphone. When I made a few $1,000s, I just spent a few $1,000s. When I made $10,000, I just spent 10.
He reinvested most of his money to make even better videos. Like you can invest into better equipment or hire more people for better performance, so that you can focus more on making the best video possible. But this is best on yourself, because YouTube game is simple. The successful absolute is the one who consistently keep making high quality videos. Very lastly, don't forget to try the 30-day free trial on VIQ, and thanks for watching.